Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to permanently delete Skype account on PC. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on our homepage right here, and then on the search bar, just open your Skype. So if you haven't downloaded Skype yet, all you have to do is to download it through your Microsoft Store or through browser. Now, as you can see, I'm already logged in into my Skype account right here. Now, if you haven't logged in yet, just make sure to log in so that this is what it will look like. And then the next thing that we need to do to delete it is to go on the top left corner of the screen, wherein you will see these three dots. So just click it and then click settings. Once you click settings, just scroll down until you see close your account. And then after that, once you click close your account right there, the next thing that we need to do is to just type the email that we have used to log in into Skype. And then after that, just scroll down and right there, then make sure that you are on the decision to close your account, and then just click next right there. And then after that, click this and this right there, and then just click which one you prefer, then just select the reason, and then after that, click mark account for closure. And then after that, your account on Skype will now be deleted and you are now good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.